Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trend, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trend, we will be unboxing Lego Speed Champions Nissan GTR Nismo Edition. So I got this from Target on sale for $15.99. $15.99 from Target. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and building this set. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is Lego Speed Champions. This is set number 76896. Is recommended 7 and up. Here you have the set number. Here's the product, Nissan GTR Nismo. This set has 298 pieces, and this is a building toy. So here's the cover art of the set. Here you can see the Nissan GTR Nismo. This comes with one minifigure on the top right corner. This has the branding GTR Nismo. Excited to build this set, and if you're an adult fan of Lego and into JDM cars, I really recommend this set. So here's the side of the box. Let's take a look on this side of the box. This advertises the app. And here's the top side of the box. Here you can see the car in a different angle. And now let's take a look on the bottom side of the box. The bottom side of the box has all the legal information, and this clarifies that this is a Nissan official licensed product. Here's the barcode when I look this up online. And with that being said, let's take a look on the back side of the box. So on the back side of the box, it shows the car with how the rear looks. And here's what the car is based off of in real life. And this does have a interior good for 2 minifigures. So let's go back to the front. Here's one last look at the cover art. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this set. So all we have to do is punch our thumb through. And I really don't want to tear up the box too much. Really love the cover art of this set. Lego Speed Champions Nissan GTR. And looks like we accomplished of not destroying the box too much. Really want to keep the box. And once we open this up, here's what we are going to get. Let's take everything out of the box. Here we have our instruction booklet. Nothing else inside of the box. So the first thing that we see is that we get an instruction booklet. So let's take a look for the instruction booklet. And here's a preview of what it is to build this GTR. And this has, unfortunately, lots of stickers. So we're going to go to the back. Here this advertises the collaboration Forza Horizon 4 along with Lego. Here's the finished product. And here are the pieces that are used in this set. You can always pause the video if you want a certain piece in your own Lego creations. And here's the back side, which advertises product feedback. So here's the sticker sheet, and that is a lot of stickers. I'm gonna spend some time putting stickers, then building in with Lego. And you get 2 bags. 1 bag, 2 bag, along with this chassis. So with that being said, I'm going to build a set, and I hope you enjoy this speed build video. So here it is. Here's the finished product after building this set. And there are a lot of stickers that I have to put on. And here's a 360-degree view of the Nissan Nissan Nismo. The first thing that we'll do is take a look at the minifigure. And one thing for sure is that the uniform is printed, which is a good thing. So Nissan Nismo, love the uniform. Probably going to have to get a second set just to have a copy of the uniform. Here you have a hairpiece. You can also replace with a helmet. So here's a closer look at the minifigure, Nissan Nismo. Love the uniform set. And here's the back side. Here you can lift up the helmet. And you can take off the helmet, but unfortunately there's no double-sided printed face. So that being said, let's take a look at the Nissan GTR Nismo edition. And you can see the stickers that I have to apply on. This roughly took me about 3 hours to build. Here's the front side. And I really love the details. And this here is not a sticker, it's printed. But the ones that I'm pointing at are stickers. So the head part and these two pieces are actually printed, but not the rear one. So here's the top-down view of the Nissan GTR. And here's a side view. Here you can see more stickers. And for the wheels, this also comes with a 2 set of wheel covers. So here are the wheel covers. You can also exchange and replace depending on what wheel covers that you want to use. Here are the lights on the back of the Nissan GTR. You have GTR Nissan Nismo branding on the back, and I really like the exhaust tips on the rear of the vehicle. So here's the driver's side, and here's what the bottom looks like. And now let's take a look at the interior. So here's the interior. Not much happening here, but this has enough space for 2 minifigures, as you can see here, even though it's not minifigure scaled to the vehicle. And here's what it looks like with the minifigure in place. You can fit another minifigure if you want to. Let's close this up. And yeah, I really like the details of this thing. Lego did a great job. And unfortunately, you cannot open up the hood. But the reason why it's not secure because of the angle that they want to create. So, yeah. Love the Nissan GTR. So that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please comment in the comment section below on what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trin. And I will see you on the next one.